In this video, I'll show you how to save photos and videos from Google Drive to iPhone. Saving media from Google Drive to your iPhone is simple once you know the right option to tap. Google's iPhone and iPad help page says that photos and videos are saved to your camera roll by using Send a Copy, not the normal file download option. Google also separates this from regular file downloads, which are used more for documents and other file types. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone and sign in to the correct Google account if needed. Then find the photo or video you want to save. You can browse through your folders or use search if the file is hard to find. Once you see the file, tap the three dots next to it to open the menu. Google's official Drive help says this is where the save options appear for iPhone users. Now tap Send a Copy. This is the important step. After that, depending on the file type, tap Save Image for a photo or Save Video for a video. Google says, this saves the item to your iPhone camera roll. So if you want the file to appear in the Photos app, make sure you choose Send a Copy first, then the correct Save option. If you only tap Download, that may save the file to your device in a different way. Especially for documents, but for photos and videos, Google specifically directs iPhone users to use Send a Copy and then Save Image or Save Video. That's why some people don't immediately see the file in Photos after using the regular download button. After you save it, open your Photos app on the iPhone and check your recent items. Your downloaded photo or video should appear there. If it doesn't, the most common reason is that Google Drive may not have permission to add items to your photos. In that case, go to your iPhone settings, check the permissions for Google Drive, allow photo access if needed, and then try again. This permission step is an iPhone side requirement for saving into the camera roll. One more quick tip. If you're saving a very large video, it may take a little longer to process before it appears in Photos, especially if your storage is low. Also make sure the file is fully available in Drive before saving it. Google's Drive help confirms that videos can be stored and played from Drive on iPhone and iPad, which is useful if you want to preview the file first. So the steps are simple. Open Google Drive, tap the three dots next to the photo or video, choose Send a Copy, and then tap Save Image or Save Video. That's how to save photos and videos from Google Drive to iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.